Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to accept all follow requests on Thread. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open the Thread application into your device. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the bottom and you should be able to see the heart icon. So just simply tap on the heart icon. And guys, if you don't have the request tab over here, it means your account is on public. The request tab is only available on private account. So let's go ahead and make our account private. So just simply go ahead and go to the profile down below on the bottom right. And on the top left corner of the screen, you should be able to see the globe icon or the circle. And after that, just simply turn on the private profile over here at the top and just simply toggle it on and tap on OK. And now when we go back to the home page, and now from here, just simply click on the heart icon and you should be able to see the request over here. And from here, guys, when people follow you, you should be able to see it over here and you should be able to choose which one to accept. So guys, remember that you have to accept them manually because as of today, Thread doesn't have accept all follow features. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out and thanks for watching. See ya.